What you need to do for this GitHub assignment is create an account, which is free. And then once you create your account, you'll log in, and then you'll see, your picture or initials or whatever over here. And you want to go to repositories. And the purpose of this assignment is just to kind of get your feet wet and get you used to doing um, working in GitHub, because we do use this quite a bit in our upper level classes. So you're going to click on New, and then you need to enter the repository name. So it's going to be HTML and CSS final project. And I already have one out here, which is why I have the red there. So I'm just going to put the year in because that'll make it a unique name. And then this is really important. You do need to add the README file, or it's not going to properly create the repository that you need. Okay. And then make sure it's public. Okay. And then click on Create Repository. Okay. So here's your repository. And what you're going to do is click on Add File, create, or excuse me, Upload Files. And then you're going to find your term project folder, and you can drag it right here. So let me see. I'm going to pause here while I try to find where mine is located. All right, so I've actually got mine in a couple different folders. Okay, so I'm going to drag everything up here. And I've got my CSS, I've got my fonts, I've got graphics that also are being uploaded, as you can see. So all of it is, yep, and there's 87 files. So there is a limit to how much you can drag up here. It'll let you do up to 100. But if you have 100 files or more, then what you're going to want to do is just drag up your HTML and your CSS. If you've got that many files, it's just not going to let you drag all of them up here. Okay, so it's probably most important that you get your code up here. Okay, because if you have a job interview and the employer wants to look at some of your code, then you will have something to show them. Okay, and as far as what you need to turn in to me, you're going to click on this URL to highlight it, press Control and C to copy it. Then you'll go back into the Dropbox and you will paste that link. That is what you need to turn in for this assignment.